Well, many local school districts canceled classes today because of the weather, but does that mean summer break will be shortened?
Well, in our legal lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asks Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy what the law says about school attendance requirements.
Okay, Andrea, I guess one of the big questions we're getting from parents is, if they have these snow days continuing to add up, does that mean that they're going to have to make those days up later in the year?
So Missouri public schools and charter schools have to provide about 1,044 instructional hours per year. To accommodate weather-related closures such as snow days, they have a built-in makeup policy. So schools have to make up the first 36 hours of lost instruction. That's about 5 to 6 full school days. After 36 hours, they only have to make up half time, and that's up to 60 hours. And then if a school district exceeds 60 hours, they have to apply for relief, and they may or may not be required to make up any additional time. So for example, if a school district misses 8 days, about 64 hours due to snow, the first 36 hours has to fully be made up. The remaining 28 hours are subject to the 50% rule. So that's only about 6.5 days out of those 8 days that would have to be made up.
In the last few years, we've all adapted to, virtual learning in some school districts. And I guess, how does that play into this? Does virtual learning count as an actual school day?
So great question. Missouri allows schools to use alternative methods of instruction. So basically that's remote learning. So schools can claim instructional hours if students are assigned lessons and logged on, and they can do that up to 36 hours, which is roughly 5 to 6 school days, depending on the district.
And when it comes to these, I guess restrictions or rules, is it universal? Is it, private schools, charter, public?
So charter and public schools are both regulated by the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education. Parochial and private schools are not, as it relates to weather-related absences.
All right, a hot topic right now. Andrea McNairy from Brown and Crouppen, thanks for your legal insight as always. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
You can catch the Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.